Hello there, I hope this video finds you well. I don't know where that accent came from. I hope this finds you well. For those of you that have been following the venture on Instagram with the hike through Yosemite, I hope that you like the content, and I might be doing a lot more of that in the near future. But let's get to business at hand. We have another beard product review. Sorry for pointing at you. This collection is from Maine Man. That's M-A-N-E, Man. And we are featuring 5 oils, 4 of which are scented, 1 that is not scented. The cool thing about this company is that they source within the United States and they stand behind the quality of their products. So that's very cool. I haven't smelt the scents yet, so we're going to be going through this together. Here we go. We are going to start with Maine Man, the Tamed Mane. Alrighty. Now, one thing to note with the product in the bottles is that they don't have a dropper, but they do have a jigger on the top that controls the amount of oil that's going to be coming out of the bottle. Well, I hope it's going to control the amount of oil. We'll see right now. Yeah. So it comes out nice and easy. Just like a drop, essentially. You just tap the bottle on your hand. And this is Tamed Mane. All right, so right off the bat, we discover the unscented oil. So Tamed Mane has no scent whatsoever. Now, a lot of you are asking, well, then what's the point of putting a unscented beard oil into your beard? And actually, I guess there's a couple pros to that. That is, if you're going to be wearing cologne, it won't conflict with that scent. And also, you still need to moisturize and protect your beard regardless of whether or not it's scented. So that's where the unscented oil comes into hand. So yeah, so no scent whatsoever with the Tamed Mane. All right, on to the next. The next we have the Fresh Mane. Alrighty. So Fresh Mane. So Fresh Mane. So with this Fresh Mane, I'm picking up kind of like a rose petal floral vibe to it, and a little bit of a citrus scent to it. On the description pertaining to this scent, it did say citrus, mint, and bamboo, but I'm definitely picking up a garden vibe. Not floral, but definitely a plant scent to it, like a fresh plant scent to it. I hope that helps you out in regard to what this scent smells like. Now, the description says it has a fresh picked mint scent to it. I'm not picking up the mint, but I am picking up that hint of citrus and more of a garden fresh vibe. And again, that's the Fresh Mane scent. Interesting. That's very interesting. All right. Next up, here, let me wipe off my hands real quick. Cleaning the palette. So this is the main event. Alrighty. Couple drops into the palm. This one actually smells really good. This is another one of those beard oil scents that can substitute for cologne. It definitely has a woodsy vibe to it. It's on the sweeter side of things, but not vanilla, but sweet. So definitely a woodsy, sweet amber aroma to it. I would definitely use this to replace a cologne. Yeah, that's a really nice smelling beard oil right there, especially for a night out. And again, this is the Maine Event. I'm liking that, definitely liking that. Alrighty, so now we have the Maine Cave. I'm really digging these names. Let's see here. So the Maine Cave. A few drops. It's kind of leaving off from the Maine Event. It's more subtle in its smell. You definitely get that kind of like that amber. Would this be like a mahogany, like a cedar smell to it? Personally, I'd wear this during the day because it does give off more of a subtle vibe to it. Yeah, I really like that. I like that one as well. Let's see here. And now pertaining to the consistency of the oil, typical consistency, not too watery, not too thick. It's right where it should be. Yeah. So there's that. Now we have the classic Maine. Let's see here. Now this one's definitely giving off more of a citrus, like a lemony citrus vibe to it. And it does have a kind of like a plant. So a lemon scent with the mix of plant, and I think that might be where the bay leaf scent comes into play. So this would be another one of those scents to maybe wear on the weekend during the day because it has more of that fresh appeal to it. Now that we've smelled all of the beard oils, let's go ahead and look at the ingredients. We have apricot kernel, jojoba, argan oil, grapeseed, castor, and fragrance. Okay, so those are your typical ingredients in your premium beard oils. So that's good to see. If it was up to me and I had to choose one scent from these 5, well, I guess it would be 4 scent and the 1 unscented. If I had to choose one amongst the 5, I would probably go with the Maine Event. I'm really digging, you know what, let me smell this one again. I'm really digging the wood cedar aspect to it. In addition to that sweetness, I just think it's a perfect blend of all of those. Alrighty, that is going to do it. Now, if you're interested in Maine Man beard oil, I'm going to go ahead and leave a link to the product in the description box below. And as always, I hope that you found this video helpful, perhaps intriguing. If you did, please go ahead and leave a thumbs up and maybe even subscribe. Until next time, peace.